Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 3rd subject Moral Science. Are you remember what we are studying? Yes, chapter 11, A Little Sugar with a Great Love. What we studied last class? Anybody can you say? Among the visitors, there was a little boy. He understood there was a shortage of sugar. Mother Teresa's ashram also there was no sugar. Then this little boy, what he did? When he came to his house and he told his parents, 3 days I don't want sugar. That sugar I will want to give it to Mother Teresa's ashram. Okay, that he 3 days sugar he gave it to Mother Teresa. Okay, that should to be studied. Mother Teresa was touched with acts of love. That much only this we studied the last class. As soon as he saw Mother Teresa, he ran towards. Okay, that paragraph also I am going to read once more. After 3 days, the little boy came again to Mother Teresa's ashram. His parents also came with him. As soon as he saw Mother Teresa, he ran towards her and gave her the small packet of sugar. Mother Teresa was touched by the little boy's act of love. After that, whenever Mother met visitors, he talked about the little boy. Whenever she met visitors, he tell to everybody this little boy's what he did. She used to say, he could not even say my name correctly. That little boy, he doesn't know to say the name correctly, Mother Teresa's name. But the love of his heart is great. But his love of his act is very great. He taught me one lesson that how much we give is not important, but with how much love we can give is important. That a small packet was given. That is but his most important, that his love was most important. The little boy's charity was great. Charity is an act of helping. Charity means the act of helping others. Somebody need he understood this little boy understood that need of that Mother Teresa need he saw. Then he gave that 3 days sugar he did not take. Then that he gave it to Mother Teresa. That kind of help. Mother Teresa was very happy to see the charity of the little boy. The people who help others are loved by God and people. This kind of help God also. Others also. The people who help others are loved by God and people. This kind of help and all God also like, people also like. Mother Teresa also help a lot of poor people. That is why she is known as the mother of the poor. Mother Teresa also helped a lot of poor people. That is why he is known as the mother of the poor. God wants all of us to help each other. In our school, we get many opportunities to help our friends. When our friends ask us for our pencil or notebooks, we should keep them. We should help them. Then in our school also we see, otherwise our neighbors also, we have to see poor people are there. We have to help them. Okay, any pencil or notebook or any dress, anything they want, we have to give to them. If we don't help them, they cannot study. If we are helping only, if we have, then we have to give them, then only they can also study. At home, we should share things with our brothers and sisters. At home, we should share things with our brothers and sisters. In our at home also, we have to share our things to our brothers and sisters. Do you know what happens when we help others? What happens when we help others? They become very happy. We become very happy, and others also become very happy. We also happiness in our heart. We will get that we can experience our heart. Okay, others also happy. We also happy. Then, the little boy did not take sugar for 3 days. The little boy did not take sugar for 3 days. That is how he collected sugar to help Mother Teresa. Sometimes we can save our pocket money allowance by not eating ice creams or chocolates, and that money can be given to the poor people. Thus we will be loved by all. Today Mother Teresa is loved by the whole world. If we help others, we will also be loved by the world one day. We also do that this kind of helping, then all the people will love us. God also will love us. Then this kind of charity work we also in our childhood onwards we have to put into practice. Let us remember, when we help others, everyone becomes happy. Then this happy in our, we also will get, others also will get that happy in their life. Okay. Okay, children, now I hope all of you understood this lesson. 3 days sugar he did not take, and that gave to Mother Teresa's ashram. He gave to Mother Teresa. Okay, this kind of when we are getting money and all from parents or grandparents, anybody giving money to us, that we are eating ice cream, chocolates and other things and all, we are buying toys and all buying, and that keep, then any person in need, we have to help them. This is chapter is teaching us. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson. Then I will question answer and all I will give you in PDF. Then you have to read the lesson and write the answer in notebook, one word answer, and you write your textbook also. Then study. Okay, thank you children.